Welcome to Tom Accessories, your ultimate destination for automotive innovation. Join us as we explore a world of cutting-edge car gadgets and accessories designed to elevate your driving experience, all right here on your favorite channel.
Experience the next level of in-car technology with this wireless dual-DIN car stereo that supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Simply plug in your smartphone to access seamless voice control, navigate, call, check emails, receive notifications, and stream music using Siri or Google Assistant. The 9-inch touchscreen not only enhances your driving safety, but also offers crisp visuals from a built-in 4K camera and a waterproof 1080p reversing camera, making parking a breeze. Enjoy high-quality sound through Bluetooth, local speakers, FM radio, and aux inputs, ensuring clear audio even in noisy environments. With a built-in crash sensor that locks vital accident footage and an intelligent parking monitor that records on impact, this plug-and-play system delivers accurate, real-time GPS navigation with your favorite apps like Google Maps and Waze. Designed for effortless installation in virtually any vehicle from cars to trucks, it's the perfect companion for a safer, more enjoyable drive. Introducing the LAMTO Wireless CarPlay Car Stereo, a game-changer for in-car connectivity. Supporting both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, it automatically connects your smartphone as soon as you step into your car. This innovative stereo features a 9-inch HD touchscreen with a 1024x600 resolution that supports 1080p video playback, perfect for outdoor use or long trips. High-quality Bluetooth and a built-in clear mic ensure crisp, hands-free calls and sound. For enhanced safety, a waterproof 1080p reversing camera with a 170-degree viewing angle and HD night vision activates automatically when you shift into reverse. Real-time map information from apps like Google Maps and Waze is displayed clearly, providing intuitive and seamless navigation on every journey. Discover the perfect blend of durability and convenience with these portable automotive ramps, designed to offer both reliable performance and effortless access to your vehicle's underside. Their rugged structural design ensures you have the strength you need when working on your vehicle, while their nestable feature maximizes storage space when not in use. Engineered with a core-track non-skid base, these ramps significantly reduce slippage, providing a stable platform even on uneven surfaces. Their 17-degree incline is especially beneficial for low-clearance vehicles, making it easier to navigate and position your car. With an impressive 12,000-pound GVW capacity and compatibility for tires up to 9 inches in width, these ramps deliver exceptional support and reliability under heavy-duty conditions. Installing this monitor is a breeze. It takes less than 2 minutes. Simply plug it into your cigarette lighter, and it's ready to go. With 2 wiring options available, you can choose whether it automatically turns on when you reverse or stays on throughout your drive. Experience a completely upgraded 3rd-generation digital wireless signal that remains smooth and clear, even at speeds up to 70 miles per hour. The 1080p resolution delivers crystal-clear images thanks to advanced IPS technology that ensures a fast, delay-free response for increased confidence and safety. Besides, equipped with 18 infrared lights, a CCD sensor, and a digital high-definition image processor, this monitor offers superior night vision. Its Super IP69 waterproof standard and a 149-degree wide view make reversing safer and more reliable. Transform your vehicle storage with this innovative car trunk organizer, designed to turn chaos into order. Featuring 3 spacious compartments and 6 extra mesh pockets, it provides ample room to neatly store groceries, tools, sports equipment, and more, ensuring your trunk remains clutter-free on every journey. Built from sturdy Oxford cloth with reinforced stitching in high-wear areas, this organizer is crafted to endure heavy use, supporting over 60 pounds with its thickened base panel and robust handles. Adjustable Velcro straps let you fold the organizer fully or partially, adapting seamlessly to your storage needs, whether in the trunk, back seat, or front seat. Ideal for SUVs, it keeps your items visible and within easy reach, eliminating the need to dig through a messy trunk. When not in use, simply collapse it flat for convenient storage at home, making it an essential accessory for tidy travels. Introducing the Jan Surface Cleaner, a high-performance solution engineered for commercial-grade cleaning over a 16-inch wide area. The newly upgraded nozzles are simple to remove and maintain, while the robust stainless steel construction with heavy-duty bearings ensures long-lasting durability. Designed to remain stable under high pressure, it offers effortless control and reduces operator fatigue. Its splash-free skirt minimizes overspray, keeping you dry as you work. Powered by dual high-pressure jets, this cleaner breaks up dirt and grime up to 5 times faster than a traditional spray nozzle, significantly cutting down cleaning time while maintaining a consistent nozzle height to eliminate streaks. With 4 universal wheels, it's easy to maneuver. Trim Coat Kit is not just a temporary, greasy coating that can wash off after a few washes or heavy rain, but a genuine ceramic coating that can last for over 200 washes. Designed to bond directly with the plastic of your trim, this coating creates a robust, lasting barrier that keeps your trim looking brand new. Intended solely for restoration purposes, it's not for new trim. Instead, Cerakote Trim Coat revitalizes and protects your black, unpainted plastic trim for more than 200 washes. Each Cerakote Trim Coat Kit includes a pair of gloves and 10 pre-moistened, individually packaged wipes, making application simple. Once applied, the ceramic coating cures to a clean, non-greasy finish, eliminating any worries about a slick mess that could rub off. Introducing the Yicor D22 4K dash camera, a state-of-the-art recording system designed for clarity and reliability. It boasts a native 4K sensor with 8 million pixels, large pixel size, and advanced ISP, enhanced by unique 4D noise reduction technology. The rear camera utilizes digital IP technology for clearer, more stable video than traditional analog systems. The D22 captures both front and rear views with a 157 degrees ultra-wide-angle front camera covering the entire road and a 140 degrees rear camera, documenting minor incidents to avoid disputes. Its OVOS08A10 8MP sensor, enhanced by Sony HDR, provides excellent night vision and balanced exposure. With built-in 5G Wi-Fi, 5 times faster than 2.4G, the Yicor Viewer app allows easy control and footage downloads. Integrated GPS offers quick location data without extra antennas. Emergency lock and loop recording protect crucial footage during accidents. Experience optimal illumination with this versatile work light that masterfully blends spot and flood beams to deliver both long-range focus and broad, expansive lighting. Designed with high-quality heat conduction silicone gel and a redesigned aluminum alloy housing, it offers superior heat dissipation for an extended operational lifespan. With an IP67 waterproof rating, it's 100% dust-proof and can withstand immersion in up to 1 meter of water for 30 minutes, while rust-proof stainless steel mounting brackets ensure lasting durability. Its adjustable mounting bracket tilts up to 45 degrees, allowing you to easily direct the beam where needed, and the lamp can even slide after installation for precise positioning. Operating on 9 to 30 volt DC with a bottom-mounted slidable block, it seamlessly fits into existing bar holes for a universal hassle-free fit. Experience ultra-fast inflation with the LastFit CR1 car tire pump, delivering 3x faster inflation at 36 LPM airflow. Its larger 26mm diameter cylinder, paired with a powerful 120-watt 20,000 RPM motor, brings unprecedented speed to inflating flat tires. No more waiting at gas stations, and you'll always be ready for emergencies on road trips. Inflate a sedan tire in just 40 seconds and an SUV tire in about 1 minute. This versatile inflator works with nearly all vehicles, from sedans and SUVs to motorcycles, bikes, and even lawnmowers. The LED digital gauge displays real-time pressure accurately, and the preset memory function with 5 modes lets you simply choose a preset and start inflating. The pump auto shuts off once the desired PSI is reached. Worried about battery life? Don't be the LASFIT CR1 runs on a 7800 mAh battery and includes a 12-volt DC cord for continuous power, ensuring you're never stranded during your journey.